हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज मेरे पास Lenovo का Ideapad L340 है। सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इस लैपटॉप का फीचर्स बताऊंगा। सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट। The Lenovo Ideapad L340 delivers excellent performance with 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor and 8 GB RAM with 1.6 GHz base speed and 3.9 GHz max speed. It has 4 cores and it comes with DOS and Windows 10 version. It helps you multitask with like a pro, giving you power needed to create complex presentation. You can enjoy your favorite movies and shows on Ideapad L340 featuring HD resolution on a wide-angle 15.6-inch anti-glare display that delivers stunning visuals without straining your eyes. The Ideapad L340 HD webcam has true block privacy shutter, a switch that would close your webcam and protect your privacy. Lenovo Vintage Eye Care model. You can reduce blue light emission, imaging the potential of your eye strain. So this laptop has two USB 3.0 port, one HDMI port, one audio out port, one Ethernet port and one microphone port. Now let's talk about memory and storage. So this laptop comes with 8 GB RAM with storage 1 TB hard drive, and this laptop also has NVIDIA MX110 G5 with 2 GB graphics card RAM. And now let's talk about the battery. So this laptop comes with 6.5 hours of battery life and it has a weight of 2.2 kg, and this laptop can also bend till 180 degree. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.